In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jira name. If you need to fix a typo, update the name shown on your Jira profile, or make sure your account reflects your current professional identity. The good news is that this is usually a quick process. In most cases, you do not need advanced permissions just to update your own account details. Jira uses your Atlassian account settings, so the change is handled from one central place. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to id.atlassian.com. You can also begin from your Jira workspace if you are already signed in there. Either route will take you toward the same account management area, so just use whichever is more convenient. If you started from your Jira dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. A menu will open, and from there, select Manage Account. This will take you into your Atlassian account settings, which is where your personal profile details are controlled. Once the account page loads, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find Profile and Visibility. Click that option to open the section where your personal information appears. This area controls how your name is displayed across Jira and other connected Atlassian services. Next, scroll until you find the full name field in the About You section. Click into that field, remove your current name if needed, and type in the updated version you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure the spelling and formatting are exactly how you want them to appear, since this is the name other people may see in comments, boards, and shared project activity. After that, check the visibility setting beside your name. You may see options such as public, anyone, or your organization. Choose the setting that matches your workplace preferences or company policy. This controls who can view your name more broadly across Atlassian tools, so it is worth reviewing before you finish. Before saving, do one final check to confirm your new name is clear, professional, and not overly long. Keeping it concise helps it display properly throughout Jira. Then click Save Changes if that button appears. In some cases, the platform may save automatically after you click outside the field. So don't worry if you do not see a manual save prompt right away. Once the update goes through, your new name should begin syncing across your Jira environment. That's all it takes to change your Jira name. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.